Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Bing Chat. So this is how you are going to change language on the Bing AI chat bot. The first step is go to the top right hand corner where you see the three little lines. Then you want to click on settings, that little cog, and then you will see there it says language. Go ahead and click on that. Then here you've got a few different options. If you want to search results languages to be different, you can go ahead and click either prefer English or whatever the language you are in, or prefer a different language. You can click on that. There are a few different things up here you can do, and also you can change the country and region you are in within here. But for most of you will want to change the language. So for example, you want to do Spanish, go ahead and click on that. And also if you want to prefer other languages, you can go ahead and click the box there. That's all you have to do. Like I said, just click the Spanish or whatever language you want, then you will see it changes there in Bing AI chatbot. If you want to change your back, let's go ahead and do the same thing again, and you can change it back to English or whatever language. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.